For this problem, we're going to solve it just as if it were an equal sign. We need to solve for the x, so we need to move the 1 over by subtracting. When I subtract a 1, that does not cause me to reverse my inequality sign, so it's going to stay the same. 4 minus 1 gives me 3 is greater than 3x. Anytime I have a number and a letter like this, that means there's multiplication there, so to undo, I'm going to divide both sides by the 3. Dividing by a positive 3 does not cause me to reverse my inequality sign. Now to make a number line for this, so I'm going to put the 1 in the middle, and that one's going to be an open circle because this does not have an equal to line underneath it. I put my values to either side, and we're going to test them. So in place of the x, I'm going to plug the 0, and in place of the x, I'm going to put the 2. Now, which one is true? 1 is greater than 0 is true. 1 is greater than 2 is not true. So I'm going to shade towards the 0 because that was my true side.